TechnoGIMP Module 11. I Feel You. Overview. Situation. You wanted to change the default wallpaper of your smartphone. So, you decided to create a motivational wallpaper in XGimp. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Create a mobile wallpaper. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app, downloadable images. Learn. Key terms. Mobile phone. A wireless handheld device that allows users to make and receive calls. While the earliest generation of mobile phones could only make and receive calls, today's mobile phones do a lot more, accommodating web browsers, games, cameras, video players, and navigational systems. Mobile phones are more commonly called smartphones because of all the extra voice and data services that they offer. Wallpaper, also referred to as a background. It is a digital image used as a decorative background of a graphical user interface on the screen of a computer, smartphone, or other electronic device. Alpha channel controls the transparency or opacity of a color. Its value can be represented as a real value, a percentage, or an integer. Full transparency is 0.0, 0%, or 0, whereas full opacity is 1.0, 100%, or 255 respectively. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then, tap the menu button. Number 2. Locate and select the image you want to edit. Number 3. The image should then appear on the canvas. Number 4. To create a rectangle, go to the Tools menu and select Square Rectangle. Number 5. To change the color of the shape, tap the Color Chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your shape and adjust the alpha value to change its opacity. Then, tap Done. In this example, the color white was used. Tap the shape when done. Number 6. To insert text in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Type the text that you want to add. Change its font family, font size, and font style under Format options. Then, tap Done. Number 7. To change its color, tap the Color Chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your text and adjust the alpha value to change its opacity. Then, tap Done. Number 8. To resize the text, drag its sizing handles. Tap the text when done. Number 9. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save.